Hey guys, I hope you're having a good morning. We are looking at simplifying rational expressions 1D here. Now, before I get started, I just want to say, if you found 1C, it was very easy. 1D is essentially the same set of problems. The only difference is we're seeing negatives here. So if you're fine with factoring where there are negatives, you can probably skip the videos for this lesson and just try them on your own. But of course, even if you got it, but you just want a little extra help, I am going to do a few problems with you. And I'm going to start with number 1. So again, the difference here between this sheet and the last one are the negatives. And we know just generally it's true that negatives make things a little bit harder. A here would be 1, B is 3, C is negative 18. If I put that into my magic X with A times C at the top, that ends up being negative 18 at the top. B on the bottom is 3. So what numbers are going to work here? Now, if I have a negative on the top, I know that for my side numbers, one needs to be positive and one's going to be negative, because that's the only way to get two numbers to multiply to give you a negative answer. So let's just think about how we can make 18. It would be 1 times 18. If one was negative, well, that's not going to work. It could have been 2 and 9. Again, if let's say I had negative 2 and positive 9, well, that's going to give me positive 7, so that still doesn't work. Then I have 6 and 3. And if I make the 6 positive and the 3 negative, then I do get the desired result, meaning 6 times negative 3 is negative 18 for the top, and 6 plus negative 3 is positive 3 on the bottom, which means I'm ready to factor. X plus 6 times x minus 3. Now again, remember this short method where we're just using the x, it's working here because a is 1. We're going to see in the next two assignments when a is not 1, but we don't have to worry about that here. So again, what is my answer? What does this really mean? It means x squared plus 3x minus 18 is equal to x plus 6 times x minus 3.